Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. On this video, I will be demonstrating a underarm wax using all products by Tress Wellness. For those of you that don't know, Tress Wellness is this company that I have partnered with. They sell hard wax beans and waxing products like cleanser and after wax spray. So you guys have to check them out. I did do a previous video on their starter kit, which comes with a wax warmer and the wax that you can see that I'm using right now. So I will put the link to that video in this video's description. I will also put the link for you guys to purchase this wax. If you would like to try it out, it is very good for like practice. If you want to wax under your own arms, or if you're a business owner and you want to try it on someone else, this would be a good starter kit for you guys. There's a lot of hair on that strip, so that's always good when you can get up most of the hairs with one strip, because I haven't even done the cleanup strips yet. Just a reminder, the video where I showed you guys how to work the wax warmer, how to melt your hard wax beans, is posted already to my channel. So I will put the link to that video in this video's description. It's very detailed and it shows you how to get your wax to the perfect consistency. Look how clean that underarm is. Easy breezy. All you needed was 2 strips to get to that, level of baldness. So here I'm just repeating the same steps again. You want to always clean under the arm first in case they have deodorant, oils, lotion, anything like that. The pre-wax spray will remove all residue from under the arm. And me personally, I like to use waxing powder. So you can always purchase a little waxing powder from Sally's or, a store like that. It just removes all of the moisture. To me, it helps the wax adhere to the hair better. I know somebody would comment, what is that white stuff she putting under her arm? And you guys, this strip is actually going to come off better than the first strip. Like, this underarm was literally bald after one strip. And the reason why is because the wax was a little looser on this arm than it was on the first underarm. So yeah, I actually turned the pot up like 10 degrees for this arm. And as you can see, it got the hairs up very well. Over the next few months, I'll be doing a series of videos using Tress Wellness hard wax beads, just showing you guys how you can wax different body parts and what you can expect as far as results when you are using their products. So make sure you guys tune in for those videos. So you guys, that is it. That is all for this video. As you can see, it only took me about 5 minutes to do both underarms. So this is a quick and easy service that you can add to your list of services you offer to people. And yeah, put that after wax spray on there and call it a day. The link to the wax beads and the starter kit will be in the description below. Bye-bye.